What is up, man? You guys listen. I know I'm a little loud. It's a little late right now. What time is it right now? It's like what, 9 o'clock? 9:30, man. 9:30. So I just came back from the gym. I was sick for the past 2 days, you guys, and it just sucks because it kind of ruined the whole weekend. You know, I had some big plans. I wanted to go exercise, go running and stuff like that. So I had to get the run in, the exercise in tonight before going to bed, and I just felt so confident, so good, and so I just want to put that good energy out there, you guys. 2025 is upon us, man. We only got like a couple more months, you guys. The 2025 is here, man. We got some crazy stuff, and I just want to say shout out to all the new subs that came to the channel, you guys. Thanks for joining the family, you guys. If you don't know me, my name is Trey. People just call me Duke sometimes. I was the Duke of Hanover. Now it's just Duke Trey, but just Trey for short, you guys, for the most part. And so let's go ahead and get into the market, and I just want to spread some good positivity out there, you guys. So listen, man. We passed the 25K count, and so here's the 25K count. We ended up losing about $35 for the first day, which is cool. It's whatever, you know. It is what it is, right? Just kind of get my feet wet again. This is my fourth account, funded account that I had, and so we're gonna get a payout this time. We definitely getting a payout. And so the 300K count, you guys, we had a bit of a loss, man. We lost 415 bucks. So that brings us, God damn it, these cats, bro. So that brings this total account balance to profit of $2,905, man. So we taking our time with all these things. We definitely taking our time with all this stuff, you guys. And what I ended up doing is I ended up, let me see if I could just pull up the Trade Evade account real quick. Hold on. We about to see, you can't see my login information and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, real quick. All right, you guys. So here's the Trade Evade. This is what I look at. This is what I look at every day when I'm trading. We got the S&P, Dow, and the Nasdaq on the side. And what I ended up doing this time, you guys, is I do multi-trading. So I got my 300K count at a 5-to-1. So that means for every one trade that I put on, one contract that I put on for my 25K funded account, I'm gonna get 5 contracts for the 300K count. So it's still slow, but that's the point. We're taking our time with this, you guys. It's not a rush, man, because fast is slow and slow is fast, right? I'll get into that a little bit later. Now, when we look at the Forex Factor, you guys, this is going to be a very volatile week. The only day we don't have any news is on Wednesday. Wednesday is the only day we don't got news. Watch out, Jet. So, Monday, 8:45, we got PMI, right? I typically look at some trades around 7:30 to 8-ish. And then I'll try to get into the market after 8:30. But since we got PMI on Friday, tomorrow, I'm just gonna chill out for a little bit, man. I'm gonna chill out. PMI is gonna carve through the market, you guys, and it's gonna give you your checkpoints for the rest of the for the at least for the day, sometimes for the week. And then Tuesday we got the CB Consumer Confidence at 9. Wednesday we don't got nothing. Thursday we got 2 high impact news: Fed Chair Powell, final GDP, unemployment, you guys. And then on Friday we got core PCE price index, man. We got some, it's gonna be a crazy volatile week, and I love it, man. It's gonna be a lot of movement, and so there's gonna be a lot of people making some money, and then a lot of people losing a tremendous amount of money, you guys. So this is gonna be a great week, man. I'm excited. So let's go ahead and take a look for let's take a look at the market for right now, you guys. Let's first off go for the monthly, right? If we look at the S&P, I like looking at the S&P, and I like looking at the Dow Jones because it pretty much kind of tells you how the market's going. First off, let's go to Bitcoin real quick, though. Let's first go to Bitcoin real quick, right? So I said that it was going to go down to here 30,000. I wanted it to get down to around like the 40,000 mark, and I was going to buy. I made a video a while ago, you guys, saying that I was going to buy at around 55,000. And people were like, oh, it's not going to go up. Oh, why are you telling people to buy? Listen, I bought at 55,000. It's up to 63,000, you guys. I only put 10 bucks in it, and I'm up about 15% right now, you guys. If I put in 100, I'd be up $15. If I put in $10,000, I'd be up 1,000, 1,500. I'd be up $1,500, you guys. So your boy know what he's talking about. It looks like we're actually going to jump past this, man. I really wanted this to see it to carve down, but it looks like it's just going to blow up. It's going to blow up, and then I think it's still gonna go down at some points, you guys, because I want you guys to pay attention to the S&P real quick, right? So we're gonna pay attention to the S&P. We're looking at the monthly, and it's still we just got tremendous amount of upside. But look at this down here, you guys. We have some untapped buys in a gap right here. We are going down at some point. The Fed cut the interest rates by like 0.5, right? By 50 basis points, which is pretty good, right? That's a good sign. It's not great, but that means that money's cheaper to get, right? Money is cheaper to get, which is going to raise the market up. But at some point, because even if you take a look at this right here, you see this right here, you see this down here, we have not tapped into that right there, you guys. It's too clean. It's too clean. There's nothing down here. And right here too, we are going down at some point, you guys. Probably around election time. Just like I said before, you guys, mark my words, probably around election time, we're probably going to go down or something like that, or sometime in 2025. There's going to be some events that's going to make the market crash. But it really is just a pool of liquidity, right? We're just trying to grab liquidity to push the market all the way the fuck back up, you guys. And so, if we look at the S&P real quick, you guys, it looks like we're definitely we're going up, man. We're going up, but because of because of all the news that we have, man, I would not be surprised if we tap into this 5700 level right here, round right here, you guys. I'm almost guaranteeing that we're gonna tap into this sometime sometime in this week. The reason why I say that is because if you look at NASDAQ, we got a huge fair value gap right here. Huge fair value gap right here. So I'm expecting us to jump up into this, and then this is going to push the market down. And if you look at Dow Jones as well, you guys, listen, we also have that clean low. The clean low right here as well, you guys. So something is going to, we got to have some entity, some force, some reason to push the market down. And I think it's in NASDAQ right there, you guys. It's in NASDAQ right here. It's in NASDAQ, right? The Fed cutting the market. The Fed cutting down the interest rates is important because if you guys remember 2008, my dad was actually a loan officer and a mortgage broker at the same time. He was a mortgage broker at the same time, you guys. And we learned in 2008 that the economy, U.S. economy, is built tremendously on two things: debt and the housing market, right? Which is just the subsidiary of debt, right? So debt in the housing market, that's pretty, and tech now as well. Tech is also a huge part of what the U.S. economy is made of. And so it's important to see that the Fed is cutting the market. I would not, if you're gonna get into like buying houses and stuff like that, I will still wait. I will still wait just a little bit, you guys, because we're gonna have some event that's gonna push the market down, you guys. We're gonna have some event that's gonna push the market down eventually. That's when that market goes down, that's when you guys need to start like looking into buying certain things, man. I might even get back into real estate. I might even get like reinstate my loan license and reinstate my real estate license, you guys. Because in Texas, you can have your loan license and your real estate license at the same time. And around that time, I might actually jump back into real estate and mortgages and stuff like that, because it's gonna be a great time to get into it, you guys. But you can't see. Yeah, there's gonna be something that's gonna push the market down, you guys. There's gonna be something that push the market down. Tech is only going to go up. Tech is going to continue to rise up. And so when we do get that push down, you guys, that's when we got to buy, because the U.S. market, the U.S. economy is going up. That does not mean that everyone's quality of life is going to go up. That just means that the rich are going to continue to get richer in America. And that's pretty much what the Dow Jones, S&P, all that stuff is kind of just is measuring. It's measuring the rich people, right? So that's what it's about. You got to ride the wave, ride the coattails of the people that are already winning, and then hell, you can win at the same time. So I just want to push that out there, you guys. Goals for trading, you guys. Goals for trading for this week. I didn't see that, like, actually looking at Forex Factory, you guys, looking at all the news that we got going on, man. I wanted to just, and I still might do it. I don't know. I was going to say my PA account, my funded account, I was going to say 200 for the week, right? 200 for the week, and I'd be happy with that. But due to the volatility of this week, man, I don't know, man. I could probably squeeze out 500 for this week, man. We could probably squeeze out 500 for this week. Let's take a look at October, though. So September 30th, we got nothing. Tuesday is October 1st. We got Jolts. We got, okay, non-farm. And then next week is going to be another volatile week, you guys. This is yeah. Next week is going to be another volatile week, you guys. So we got some great trading the next 2 weeks, you guys. I expect to take my time with stuff. I'm going to take my time with things, but I don't know, man. I might go a little hard on the 300K account, you guys. I might go a little hard on 300K because we got some very volatile weeks coming up, and volatility to me is basically just telling you where the hell the market's gonna go, right? It's just telling you where the market's gonna go. Let me kind of show you what I mean real quick. This is a long video. I didn't expect it to be this long, you guys. Let me kind of just show you what I mean a little bit, right? So let's go to something like the 15 hour, right? A 15 minute. Let's go to like the 15 minute or something. You see these long wicks right here. This is what happens on volatile news days. When you have these long wicks, this is telling you that at some point the market's gonna go there. And so when you have some indication that the market is going up into this direction, you can just ride that joint up there, man. And it's just money. It's just money, 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 you guys. And so this is what I love to see. I love volatile days because once all the volatility settles down, then it slowly goes to the checkpoints. It slowly reaches back up. It slowly takes over some of the highest highs and the lowest lows, you guys. And so that's what you want. You don't trade the news. You don't trade the news. You trade after the news, right? 5, 10, 15, maybe even 30 minutes, maybe after lunch. And then you ride that wave to see it, get past those checkpoints, get out the market. You good for the day, you guys. You make your money for the day. So that's the plan, you guys. That's the plan, man. So I'm super excited, super fucking excited, you guys. Let's get to this shit going. You just get this, let's get this going, you guys, man. I'm super excited, you guys. Life is gonna be changing, bro. Whoever doubted you, thank them. Whoever rejected you, thank them. Whoever believed in you, thank them. Everything makes you stronger as long as you don't let that shit overcome you. You gotta fight back, man. You gotta fight back. And so with that being said, man, it's your brother Trey. It's your brother Trey, you guys. And look at this too real quick. Hold on, let me just show you this real quick, man. Here's another reason why we're definitely gonna go down at some point. Look at this, bro. Like, this is like, come on, bro. Look at this, man. This is just too clean. This low right here at the 19,860 level on NASDAQ matches up with the midnight opening on Thursday, bro. This is just too clean. It's too clean. We're going down, you guys. Look at this, man. We're going down at some point. So this is gonna be an objective right here. You better believe once it passes this, if it's during like regular New York trading hours, I'm gonna be on that motherfucker. I'm gonna be on that wave down. I'm gonna be on it. So with that being said, man, it's your brother Trey, man. I'm gonna see you guys next week, Monday through Friday, you guys. Let's do this shit, man. Let's do this shit, bro. Let's do this. Let's do this, man. Let's fucking do this, bro. I'm gonna see y'all later, man.